it is only fair to disclose in advance this is a sad, sad moment, and there are some very upsetting scenes ahead. My Freelander 2 is gone. There's a hole on my driveway. Look at this gaping void. I miss it already. It's gone off, but I have spent the money wisely, guys. I have put it into my next project. This lovely blue machine in the background. I'm not going to show you what it is yet. You've got to guess. Please put your comments below. Tell me what you think this is. I will do a full reveal in due course. But for the moment, yes, the Freelander 2 has gone and I've stuck the cash into something else. Now, this car is considerably more valuable, considerably more sporty, and considerably more fast. It is an absolute rocket machine. So I am so excited to show you what this car is. But yeah, have a little guess in the meantime, please. If you can get it, I'll be delighted. I want the model, the brand, and the year if you can. And I'll let you know if you're correct. So yeah, cheers guys. Thanks very much for following me with the Freelander 2. I am genuinely sad that it's gone. It has been a thoroughly brilliant workhorse right the way through the last 8 years of ownership. But with the Discovery 3 there, a far more practical, bigger and more suitable car really for family vacations, holidays, road trips, that kind of thing. So yeah, out with the old, in with the new, and I look forward to updating you in due course.